let's look at the irrational kind of problem. This is a slightly easier one because my irrational root is 2 terms. Maybe I should it's just 1 term, not 2 terms. Maybe I should make it, let me make it 1 minus root 5. Okay, so this question says, find the polynomial of lowest degree with roots at 3 and at 1 minus root 5. So I know that this has to come in a pair, so I know that there's another root at 1 plus root 5. That's the piece that's new. So now I can write my polynomial as a product of factors, x minus 3, because 3 is a 0, x minus 1 minus root 5. If I distribute that subtraction, I'm going to get x minus 1 plus root 5, and x minus the second, the 0 that wasn't told but that I could infer. So that's x minus 1 plus root 5. Again, distribute the negative, and I get x minus 1 minus root 5. A magical thing happens if I multiply these two terms. Because there are conjugates, what's going to happen is that the irrational part of the term is going to go away. So I've got x minus 1 plus root 5 times x minus 1 minus root 5. If I'm really smart about it, and I think of x minus 1 as one thing, do you see you've got a situation where you've got a plus b times a minus b, except in the place of a I've got x minus 1, and in the place of b I've got root 5. So what that's going to multiply together to is a squared minus b squared. Okay, so this is going to multiply to x minus 1 squared minus root 5 squared. So this works out to x minus 3 times x squared minus 2x plus 1. That's x minus 1 squared. And then I've got a minus 5. So this works out to x minus 3 times x squared minus 2x minus 4. Now if I multiply this binomial times the trinomial, I'm going to get an x cubed. I'm going to get minus 2x squared and minus 3x squared, so altogether minus 5x squared. I'm going to get minus 4x and minus 6x, so minus 10x, and I'm going to get a plus 12. If you don't believe me on all this multiplication, you're welcome to do it with the square or to write it all out and multiply it, but I think it's correct. So when you finish with this, I'm going to have you do the homework on page 333. Page 333, I want you to do number 14 to 24 even. So page 333, 14 to 24 even. Go for it. Thanks.